Text attributes. The text element has many attributes, for example, text, font, margin, etc. All these attributes have default values. These values can be changed by the programmer writing the code. The table given below is showing various text properties, their description, and the value that they can be assigned. Attribute, description, values, examples. Color specifies the foreground color of the text. Color name, hexadecimal color value, RGB color values. Color blue. Color #FFFF00. Color 255,165,0. Text align specifies the horizontal alignment of text or block of text. Left, right, center, justify. Text align, right. Line height specifies the distance between two lines. Normal, default. Number, a number that will be multiplied with the current font size to set the line height. Length, fixed line height in pixel, point, centimeter. Percentage value, line height in percentage of current value. Line height, normal. Line height, 8 pixel. Text decoration specifies the decorations that are added to the text underlining, line through, etc. None, default, defines a normal text. Underline defines a line below the text. Overline defines a line above the text. Line through define a line through the text. Text decoration, overline. Text decoration, underline. Text shadow specifies a list of shadow effects to be applied to the text. None, color name, color value. Text shadow, 2 pixel, 2 pixel, green. Text transform controls the capitalization of text. None, default, the text appears as it is. Capitalize the first character of each word in uppercase. Uppercase, all characters are in uppercase. Lowercase, all characters are in lowercase. Text transform, uppercase. Let us discuss these properties in detail. Color attribute. Color attributes can be defined as color names, hexadecimal color values, or RGB color values. Predefined color names like blue, red, aqua, gray, maroon, yellow, etc. can be used for color specification in CSS. For example, color yellow, color red. Hexadecimal color values are specified as #RRGGBB, where RR red, GG green, and BB blue are the components of the color, and the values must be between 0 and FF. For example, color #FFFF00. RGB color values are specified as RGB, red, green, blue. The values of red, green, and blue should be from 0 to 255 or a percentage value from 0% to 100%. For example, color RGB bracket 255,165,0, color RGB 0%, 100%, 0%. The above code tells the browser that the text of the HTML element H1 should be in orange and the text defined by the P element should be in the color given by the code #FFB6C1. Text align attribute. The text align attribute is used to specify the horizontal alignment of text in an element. The default of this attribute is left. Consider the following code to set the text align attribute of different HTML elements. Style type is equal to text/CSS, P, text align justify, H2, text align center, H3, text align left, H4, text align right, close style. The above code tells the browser that the paragraph text is fully justified, heading level 2 is center aligned, heading level 3 is left aligned, and heading level 4 is right aligned. Text shadow attribute. The text shadow attribute gives a shadow to text. The value of this attribute is given as follows. Text shadow, H shadow, V shadow, color. H shadow specifies the position of the horizontal shadow. V shadow specifies the position of the vertical shadow. Color specifies the color of the shadow. For example, text shadow 5 pixel, 3 pixel, blue. Here 5 pixel specifies the position of the horizontal shadow, 3 pixel specifies the position of the vertical shadow, and blue specifies the color of the shadow. You can specify a shadow for each HTML element separately. For example, the code below sets the text shadow property for the heading level 1, heading level 2, and paragraph. Style type is equal to text/CSS, H1, text shadow 5 pixel red, H2, text shadow 4 pixel black, P, text shadow 2 pixel blue. Close style.